Amala Paul is Christian. Rashmika Mandana is Hindu. Nargis Fakhri is Muslim. Nora Fatehi is Muslim. Alia Bhatt is Hindu. Catherine Tarsa is Christian. Taapsee Pannu is Sikh. Hansika is Buddhist. Kiara Advani is Hindu. Ananya Pandey is Hindu. Nazriya Nazim is Muslim. Priyanka Chopra is Hindu. Sonakshi Sinha, Hindu. Tibu is Muslim. Sonam Kapoor is Hindu. Anushka Sharma is Hindu. Please share this video. Katrina Kaif is Muslim. Kajol is Hindu. Malvika Sharma is Hindu. Samantha Rath P is Christian. Aisha Takia is Muslim. Pariniti Chopra is Hindu. Shilpa Shetty is Hindu. Tamila Bhatia is Hindu. Sara Ali Khan is Muslim. Ravina Tandon is Hindu. Yami Gautam is Hindu. Nareen Khan is Muslim. Asim Totamkal is Christian. Kareena Kapoor is Hindu. Nusrat Bharucha is Muslim. Bhumi Pednekar is Hindu. Kangana Ranawat is Hindu. Pooja Hegde is Hindu. Disha Patni is Hindu. Shraddha Kapoor is Hindu. Dia Mirza is Muslim. Karishma Kapoor is Hindu. Urvashi Rotela is Hindu. Rani Mukherjee is Hindu. Aishwarya Rai is Hindu. Mronal Thakur is Hindu. Rakul Preet Singh is Sikh. Janhvi Kapoor is Hindu. Aliana De Cruz is Hindu. Janelia, Christian. Rashi Khanna is Hindu. Kajal Agarwal is Hindu. Fatima Sana Sheikh is Muslim. Please share this video. Deepika Padukone is Hindu. Jacqueline Fernandez is Christian.